Awesome to see you all.
Thank you, sir. Shall we start the program, sir?
Yes.
Yes, madam. You can go ahead.
Hello, everyone. Good evening, everyone.
Good evening. Good evening.
Welcome to today's session. And I'm Nirmala. I'm as Dean for High School Grade in Gurukulam Global Residential School. And let me brief about my school. Gurukulam Global Residential School is a brand for high quality education where learning will happen beyond the books. It is a school where you see people around the world, and we have highly skilled and dedicated faculty. Our school integrates culture, history, language, and performing arts into various categories. We have best in our curriculum. We have divided our curriculum in 4 programs like Young Scientists, Young Thinkers, Super Kids, and Young Achievers. And also, we have best sports facility in our school. Our school is the best CBSE school in Denkani Kotai. We have 25 acres of campus enriched with green and cool environment. Especially, this place is also called as Little Ooty. Such a calm and cool atmosphere we have. Now I'd like to introduce today's eminent speaker, Dr. Venkatrayudu Venugela. He is a renowned motivational speaker, an author, an entrepreneur, who is the backbone of our institution. He has done his research in educational institutions and leadership in 25 countries, and he is an author of The Little Pink Book for Parents. And let us welcome such an eminent personality to join with us today. Welcome to the session, sir.
Thank you, madam. Thank you very much.
Today we have our co-speaker R.S. Mani, a serial entrepreneur turned business coach, having passion towards business and marketing since 1995. He is a founder of Wow Academy in 2017 to create a platform to share expert skills in business, culture, HR, finance, technology, and managing. He has also conducted many training programs like MMI, like Millenary Mind Intensive, Transformational Leadership Program, 7-day experiential program, and we are very grateful to have in this evening such a great personality. Welcome, Mani sir.
Thank you. Vanakkam and namaskar.
Thank you, sir. So let us begin our session today.
Yes, good evening, friends.
Parents.
Yes, madam.
Parents are the ultimate role models for children. Every word, every moment, every action has an effect. No other person or outside force has a greater influence other than the parent. I would like to say a quote today. The sign of great parenting is not the child's behavior, it is the parent's behavior. With this quote, I would like to welcome Dr. Venkatrayudu sir to guide you on successful parenting. Thank you. Over to Dr. Venkatrayudu sir.
Yes, good evening, friends.
Very good evening.
I request all the participants once let us see each other so that we can interact in this session. We want to do this session as an interactive session. Can I see everyone on unmuting your video? Ganeshan sir, Arvind Kumar sir, Gopal Krishna,
You can
Mohan
disable
Selvan
the
sir.
screen sharing. Dr. Venkat, you disable the screen sharing so that we will be able to put everybody in the screen. Disable the screen sharing. And yeah, that's
Yes,
right.
sir.
Fantastic. Okay, awesome.
Hi sir, Ganeshan sir.
Hi. Ganeshan N. Nitin.
Hmm.
I think his student is there. How about you? What's your good name? You can unmute yourself.
Unmute.
Nitin, sir.
Mr.
How are you,
Shankar
sir?
Venkatesh, Mohana Selvam, Dr. Arvind, Sendil Kumar. Yes, Nitin, what's your good name?
Nitin, sir.
Nitin, okay. Welcome, Nitin.
Thank you, sir. How are you, sir?
Fantastic, awesome. Where are you calling from? Which place?
Hosur.
Hosur, okay. Which class and which school you study?
Chaitanya.
Chaitanya, which class?
9th.
9th, okay. Where are your parents?
Here only, sir. Nearby.
Okay, okay. Just you ask them also to come online, okay? Camera, you can turn it on horizontal mode, horizontal. The vertical is horizontal. Fantastic, awesome. Great, great. Welcome, Nitin. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. And welcome, Mr. Mohana Selvam, sir. How are you? You can unmute yourself. A small intro about the parents and the children's. Vanakkam, Thiru Mohana Selvam Dandamani, sir. Eppadi irkeenga?
நல்லா இருக்கேன் சார். Thank you very much. How about you?
Superb, sir. Where from you are calling and what's your child's name?
Yeah, I'm calling from Bangalore. My son is
Bangalore.
Mitesh Kumar. He's into 11th now.
Awesome, awesome. How you came to know about this program, sir?
Through Facebook.
Facebook. Okay, great, sir. Thank you. Thank you
sir.
very much. And you will be rest assured to have a valuable speech from Dr. Venkat for the next 1 hour, 60 minutes.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. How about other participants? Mr. Shankar Venkatesh. Vanakkam. Can you switch on your camera and also your microphone? Mr. Gopalakrishnan, Vanakkam. Can you switch on your camera? Can you ask them to unmute, sir? Dr. Venkat, sir. You have an option to make them to unmute.
Yes.
Yeah.
Dear parents, kindly unmute your video so that we can see you. This is
We
an
can see
interactive
you
session.
and you, it's a golden opportunity to introduce yourself to the speaker. Right. Thank you. Awesome, Nitin. You're looking awesome today. Okay. How about Gopalakrishnan? Mr. Gopalakrishnan, can you hear us? Vanakkam, Thiru Shankar. எப்படி இருக்கீங்க? திரு சங்கர் நல்லா இருக்கீங்களா? Okay, I think you can start the session. In between, you please make a break so that we will have one more small intro with the people. I think you can start the session. Sir, you can unmute yourself. Dr. Venkat, you unmute yourself and start the session. I think have we covered everybody?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, so it's time
Arvind
for
Kumar, Dr. Arvind Kumar also is there.
Dr. Arvind Kumar. You can ask him to unmute.
Sir, kindly unmute, sir.
Yeah, I am present.
Yeah. Can we see you?
Thank you
Sir,
very
can you
much.
give a
Thank you.
small intro about you, sir?
Wish you all the best. Basically, I am a psychotherapist. Did my doctorate in psychology
Very great.
and educationist too. Master degree in education, post graduation in clinical psychology.
Right, right. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much. So let us start the session. And I thank you everyone who are attending this webinar. And I also thank our host Nirmala madam. And also along with me, I try to do this workshop webinar in English. And along with me, my friend Mr. Mani, he will try to make you understand in Tamil also if people are there.
If required.
who want
If
to be in
required.
Tamil.
Otherwise, I think
Okay.
anybody want the seminar in Tamil? Are you all comfortable in English? Anybody want in Tamil? Put in the chat box. Tamil or Telugu or Kannada. Please mention the language you want to have the webinar. In which language? Okay, so please put on the chat box which language you want, English, Tamil, or Kannada, or Telugu. Which language you want the seminar to go on. Mention in the chat box. Right, sir. I think you can start the session. You can unmute, you can mute all and then start. Then we will be focused on you.
Yes, sir. I'll mute everyone.
So predominant. So Mr. Sendil Kumar wants in Tamil also. Dr. Aravind says English. So wherever required, I will translate in Tamil.
Yes, sir. Let us start our successful parenting workshop. Okay. So the child supply the power, but the parents have to do the steering. So when we are having a car, we'll have a car and fuel, but driver should be there. Same way, our students also, our children also need driver, their parents. So the next slide, what I want to share to you is, if you obey all the rules, you'll miss all the fun. So with children, when we are with children, we should be in a friendly way and we should be very close to them. So if you don't, if you want to obey all the rules with the children, you will miss all the fun, is what I want to tell. So first, before I start, today my session will be in such a way like I will be taking you around 3 videos. So the first video will be capturing your emotions. The second video will give you the 2030 child's future and everything. And the third video will give you what children love and how children love us to be. Okay. So the first video I'm going to share with you. So let us watch the first video and then start our session.
मम्मा पापा कहाँ है?
वहाँ तारों के पास।
मुझे भी वहाँ जाना है।
नहीं बेटा, तुम वहाँ नहीं जा सकती।
मुझे जाना है मम्मा, प्लीज मुझे जाना है, प्लीज मुझे जाना है, जाना है मम्मा, प्लीज मुझे जाना है।
For me, it was very far-fetched to think I'd get to fly on the space shuttle, because I lived in India in a very small town, and forget about space.
घर के बस सामान नहीं, ये रिश्तों की पूंजी है। ये है तो दिल में खुशियों की लहरें गूंजी है।
मम्मा टीवी कहाँ गया?
वो रिपेयर के लिए गया है, कल तक आ जाएगा।
Life is good. Life is good. चलो जिंदगी हम ऐसे जी ले like we really should.
Oh my God! You got through it! Yes! Yes, you passed! Yes!
मिसेस शर्मा?
हाँ, मैंने नहीं मंगवाया।
हेलो मैडम, बात कीजिए।
हेलो।
हाय माँ। माँ वो टीवी जो रिपेयर होने गया था ना, क्या वापस आ गया।
मेरी बेटी।
आपको एस्ट्रोनॉट बनने की इंस्पिरेशन किससे मिली?
माय गाइडिंग स्टार, मेरे पापा। और मेरे सपनों को उड़ान देने वाली। आई लव यू माँ।
Life is good. Life is good. चलो जिंदगी हम ऐसे जी ले like we really should.
Yes, friends, how is the video?
Awesome video.
Yes, nobody is better teacher than your mother to learn how to be honest. When the daughter asks mom, where is the TV? The mother answers that it was being repaired because she wanted to skip the topic. Mother is the best teacher for honesty and practical wisdom. So it is important in our life to know when to speak what, because when you see this, it is good experience or bad experience. Now I request all of you to take one pencil or pen along with one notepad. Can you take, my dear friends?
Sure.
All of you kindly take one. Write down what you don't like in person that you love. Are you all there?
Can you repeat the question?
So write down what you don't like in a person you love.
Okay.
Please write down, my dear.
உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்ச ஒருத்தங்கள்ட்ட பிடிக்காத குணம் என்ன? Write down the character of a person whom you love, which you don't like. You can unmute yourself, Dr. Venkat.
Yes, it will give a great excitement for you. So you can write about your life partner, your son, daughter, friend, your brother, sister, anyone, whomever you like, you please write down what you don't like in that person. We're giving 2 minutes time for you.
So can we keep on listing, or you want only 1 or 2?
Yeah, you can write 4 to 5, you can write.
Okay. உங்க பிடிச்ச 4-5 பேரோட குணாதிசயங்கள் எது உங்களுக்கு பிடிக்காத விஷயங்கள்? மேபி உங்க அம்மா அப்பா இருக்கலாம், இல்ல உங்களுடைய ஹஸ்பண்ட் ஒய்ஃபா இருக்கலாம், இல்ல உங்களோட சன் டாட்டர்ஸா இருக்கலாம். ஸோ இவங்க எல்லாம் உங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப பிடிச்சவங்க. இவங்கள்ட்ட இருக்கிற பிடிக்காத குணம் என்ன? ஒரு 4-5 பேரோட, உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்ச 4-5 பேரோட நேம் லிஸ்ட் அவுட் பண்ணிட்டு அவங்கள்ட்ட பிடிக்காத ஒரு குணம், உங்களுக்கு பிடிக்காத ஒரு குணம். எழுதிட்டீங்கன்னா டன் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி உங்களோட சாட் பாக்ஸ்ல யூ கேன் கீ இன்.
Yes, I think everyone wrote this.
Yes.
Anyone can read, sir? Is it
Confidential.
confidential, or you can read, anyone can read it out, or is it confidential? I think everyone is, that is confidential. Am I right?
What I feel is they need not name the person, only the character what you don't like, that alone they can read. Is that okay?
No, it is very confidential. Let them keep it secret. No problem. See, whatever you wrote, how many of you wrote? Raise your hand. At least raise your hand.
They are mentioning there. Mr. Gopalakrishnan has done. Sendil Kumar is done. Ganesh Nitin has done.
Yes.
Everybody has written.
Everybody has written, isn't it?
Yes.
So you should read once again what you wrote. Now you read once again what you wrote. Yes. That is not that person. That is you. Am I right? That is not the person what you wrote. That is you. This is the exact excitement which is giving to you. See, Swami Vivekananda, what he told is, what is the reason for misunderstanding is, the reason is we see people as we are, not as they are. So many times, knowingly or unknowingly, we label our children like stupid, idiot, useless, etc. So this way the child will start believing that he is useless. So two people can see the same thing, disagree, and yet both be right. It is not logical but psychological. So whatever we see and we misunderstand is that we see people as we are, not as they are. So this is the thing which we need to understand before we know about our children and before we know how we need to parenting and everything. This is the thing, most important thing that you should understand. So next I want to tell about what do you dream for your children. In life experience is important, and when you see this, we need to understand that it is important to know how we feel for the opposite person and how they feel about us. Because you and people opposite to you see things differently. So you and people opposite to you see differently. This you should understand first. Anyway, we have 2 years children will have 98% creativity, and 10 years will have 32% creativity. And if you are above 25, your creativity is 2%. So from this we can tell, as we grow old, our creativity goes away from us. That is why when the children is very young, he will call his parents in his own language like Gugu, Gaga or something like that. So within 8 years of our children life, they lose 66% of creativity. What does this happen? What does this happen? It happens in the school, in the home, and everyone don't do this, don't do that. The child should write on the red line, teacher says, and the child should not cross the margin, teacher says. A child enters to school with multicolored pencils, and but while leaving the school, he will come with a single colored pen. Why? Because we parents and teachers are stopping to think creative. This is the reason. So if you are children, you want to grow creatively, let them live their own life. Let them live their own life. Definitely we need guidance to our children, but let them lead their own life. Now I want to go to the next slide, where we all think differently because we are all wired differently. If you know thinking preferences of the person opposite to you, your feeling is better. If your feeling is better than your behavior will be better. And if your behavior is better, your result and outcome will be better. So if you are thinking about the person opposite to you, your feeling is better. If your feeling is better, then your behavior is better with him. And if your behavior is better, your result and outcome will be better. Now the real session is going to start, and I will make you to understand your child, my dear parents. So now I am talking about the brain. So according to the research done in 1968, an American doctor, Dr. Roseberry, has dissected a human brain for the first time, and he discovered that we have a right brain and we have a left brain. he also discovered that right brain sees things and left brain speaks. So after meeting someone, after a very long time, we will be like, hello, Mr. Shanmugam, how are you? How are you been and everything. But that is not true, because many times you meet someone, you will be like, how are you? How are your children? But reality, you will be asking your brain to remember the name of the person. Tell me, what is his name? Remind his name. So research also says that left brain and right brain speak for 70,000 times with each other, and we use only 4% of the brain's energy and we waste the rest 96%. So let us know more about this left brain and right brain, because see, we need to understand about the children, which kind of brain they have and what kind of people are there, and how are they wired, and every child is unique in this world. So let us understand what kind of children are they and everything. Now I want to explain you about this left and right brain. So for better understanding, we can tell that the left brain people are number persons and logical. They are always right. If somebody proves them wrong, they won't be able to sleep at night. They are rules driven, system driven, and follow step-by-step approach. So this left brain people are analytical thinking. They will have analytical thinking. Numbers, they are number people. Language they have, they concentrate on language, reasoning, logic, and science and maths. When you come to the right brain people, feel that art, drama, poetry are the real important things. Time is never important for them. Words are very important for them. So they are emotionally intelligent, and imagination will be more in them. Expression will be more. Art and awareness, institution, creativity, their brain will be, they are colorful people. They love colors. They love colors. So now a left brain teacher will promise that he will start the school in the month of April, and her portions by the end, she will complete the portions by the end of September. So her first revision, she will tell that I will finish my complete portion by the end of the September, and I will start my revision, first revision in the month of December, and second revision I will end by the January. Listening this, the left brain children will be happy and will be very satisfied, but at the same time, the right brain students think it is still June and this woman is talking about January. So there is a difference between the left brain and right brain children, my dear parents, you need to understand. So if a left brain person has a journey of 2 days, he will pack for 5 days, because what if it rains? What if clothes become wet? What if they become dirty? In their life, the what is never ends. If the left brain reaches the station 3 hours before train arrives, while the right brain person will start packing 5 minutes before starting from home and reach 2 minutes before the departure. So this is the difference between left brain and right brain. I want to give one more example. A left brain child will organize all her books and bag and finishes all the homework on time. So a right brain child will throw bag at one place, bag and books at one place, and start doing homework right before class. So whenever you speak with the right brain child, you need to use your practical wisdom, or else they will remember that one word you said is in 2009 somewhere till the end of their life. So you should know when to tell them and how to tell them certain things, and how they turn in their life will be your responsibility. So this is about the right brain and left brain, my dear parents. So now I want to ask you a question. So which brain are you? I want you to answer, all of you to answer. Which brain do you think you are? Yes, you can just type in chat box. So Mani sir is right brain. Okay. Others also kindly open your chat box and try to type which brain is yours. Yes, Gopala Krishna sir is right brain. Left and right both. Dr. Arvind Kumar, very great sir, very great. Is the right answer you have given. Left, Mohan Selvan.
So many creators are there.
Yes, very, both Senthil Kumar,
Right. Okay.
rest is a right brain.
I think most of the business people are all having right brains.
Yes, yes, yes.
Huh? They are ready to take risk. Crisis management, more they are able to handle.
Very great, very great. Yes, thank you very much, sir. All of you responded very well. Now let us go to the next part of the session. So before we begin the second part of our session, I will tell you about 3 mistakes of your life. So all of us do these mistakes. So don't take it serious. So the first mistake, when we fall in love with someone, no doubt these are obviously not a mistake, but in practical point of view, the problems faced by us makes them mistake.
Venkat sir, there is a one question here.
Yes, sir.
So we said left and right brain, right? So based on the analysis, I think I feel that I'm the left brain. Okay, so
Okay.
I'm very more organized, and then I'll go with the logics, and more on the planning. Okay, so if the son is not following it, okay, so I always used to do the same. Actually, the example what you gave, the exam is coming in the next 1 month before. Okay, 1 month, so you have 1 month time, so let us plan it. Okay, but the kid is actually, if they're refusing to do that and then doing it the last minute, is it I mean, can we consider that as they have a right right brain child, or is it because of laziness, or it is not to take
There is a
our words?
possibility for both the things what you are thinking, sir. So you can observe all other activities what he is doing, and you can take a decision either he is lazy or he is exactly what he is, a left brain or right brain. So some children will be really, as you told, they will be lazy, and even doing that is getting good marks.
Yeah, but not very good actually. He's a studious once, but going. I mean, after some grow. Coming now, he's in 11th now. So sometimes I feel that adamant, and then not listening, and then maybe it is because of laziness. So preparation is less, and then because of that, sometimes he'll not be in the position to score well. But my gut feel is actually, if he puts the right effort, he can do better.
Doctor, we will note the questions. Maybe we will have the Q&A session at the end. Is that
at the end, sir? Let us continue the session.
Continue
We'll
it.
have...
Mohana Selvam, sir, I have noted down your point.
Great.
Definitely, we
Thanks,
will answer this, and whatever questions you have put on the chat box, we will make a note of it.
Thanks, Mani.
So that the flow is not affected, and let us complete it, and then we'll have a detailed Q&A at the end. Thank you.
Great.
Doctor,
Yes,
you
go
can
ahead, sir.
start. Doctor, you can start.
Yes, we can go ahead. Yeah. So the first mistake when you fall in love with someone, no doubt, these are obviously not a mistake, but in practical point of view, the problems faced by us make them mistakes. The second mistake is when we marry that person. Okay, it is fine. Every human falls in love and every human marries. And the third most important mistake is when they both give birth to someone. Now all the people here have children. Since all of us have made these 3 mistakes, this program is essential for all of us. So now I want to make you to understand that your children in 2030 generation, so your children are coming from out of the school after 2030. So what is their future? So let us see one more small 2 minutes video and continue the session. See, my dear parents, the connectivity between point to point will be very less in this session. So now we have understood what is left brain and right brain and how to treat the children and what is your brain and everything. Now the 2030 generation children are mixed brain, both left and brain, like many people in this session are having both left and right brain. So all the students and all the children in this generation are adapting both the left and right brains activities. So let us see what is the future generation and how we need to adopt. Just let me start the video. Yes, my dear parents, the future generation is going to be completely with artificial intelligence. So our children are coming out in an artificial intelligence generation. So these videos and everything I'll be trying to share with you, all of you. So complete video, it is a very big video. So I want to continue the session. So I want to just give a glance through this video. Now I'll continue the session. So now I want to ask all of you, are you a learning parent or teaching parent? So now I am going to display one poll for you. All of you can click on this. You are a teaching parent or learning parent. I have launched it. So you can just click on this.
Can you brief what is teaching parent means and learning parent before they do the polling?
Yeah. Are you only ready to teach your parent? See, now the real question is, are you a learning parent or a teaching parent?
Are you listening to?
Yes.
Are you listening to your children? If it is so,
Yes.
then I think it is a learning parent.
Yes, yes.
If you want to keep
Are
forcing,
you interested in just teaching your children or also willing to learn with them?
yes, that
Now
is
if
called
you want-
learning.
Yes. Now, if you want to be one of the learning parent, then stay in this webinar till the end. You might be a parent of 2 children or 3 children of different ages. I will tell you about all of them. So now I request all of you to poll this. So 100% it is your learning parent. Thank you very much. All the people who polled till now are 8 of 13. Still 9 is fine.
I think that's the reason they are here for the program.
Yes. 9 people polled. Request everyone to poll. Okay. Thank you very much. I am ending the poll. So all of you are learning parents. So this session is for you only. Okay. Right. Now, so 3 basic rules that we have. Every parent should know these 3 basic rules. So number 1 is child reflects parents. So when we can see the children, we see in our school many children and tell how are their parents. We can tell easily by seeing the parents that how are their parents. So definitely the child will reflect the parents. So next is children will not lie from day that they are born. So children are not lie from the day that they are born. Okay. And next, children will not smoke from the day that they are born. Okay, all of you accept this? So now every child has a mission on this earth. Every child on this planet will come with a mission and purpose. Every child have their own unique ability and unique talent. And this child will come on this planet to use that talent and experience that talent. So next is the third basic rule is seeds. So we need to, children are like seeds. Every seed is unique and will have the ability to give more seeds. So what we need to do is, if the seed will not get proper atmosphere, for example, if you take one seed and put in one pot and put in one tijori or biru, so will it grow? No. So if the seed will not get proper atmosphere, it will not grow. In the same way, if children will get proper atmosphere and surroundings, he will be growing properly. So he may be becoming, every child has a quality to become a Vivekananda, and also he can become a Sachin Tendulkar and also a Dhirubhai Ambani. But it is very important to take care that the child has the perfect environment for that. So we need to give proper environment for the child, that child reflect the parents, as I told you. See, for example, if I tell, if father is sitting in the hall, okay, so we all tell children you should not lie. Why today is India and Pakistan match. So father is sitting in the hall, suddenly his boss calls him. So he'll call, my darling, come. He'll call his wife and tell that I am not well and I am sick and I am sleeping. So when child sees this, will he learn, will not he tell lies, or what he's learning from you? So definitely child reflects the parents, and every child has a mission on the earth. and every seed is there. So next how the children learn to speak lie, I will tell you. So now a very important point. So now the work which you do will come back to you as your child. Okay, this is the important point. So next I want to show a small video that will help you to understand about the lies or how we need to behave in our families and everything.
क्या जरूरत थी छोरे से इतना गुस्सा करने की? जरा सी बात तो थी। ₹10 के लिए छोरे ने भूखा मारेगी क्या?
ऐसा क्या कर दिया इसने जो प्लेट उठा के ले जा रही है?
10 रुपए तो लिए थे तेरे पर्स से, कोई पड़ोस से तो न लाया था।
मेरे पैसे लिए थे इसने, तेरे बाप के नहीं।
छोटे घर की है ना, तेरी माँ ने कुछ तुझे सिखाया नहीं है?
जान दे, ये तो तुझे खाना देगी ना, तू मेरी प्लेट से खा ले।
तैं अपने खाने की चिंता कर। इसने 10 रुपए लिए ना हैं, चुराए हैं। आज चोरी की है, कल न जाने क्या करेगा। और अगर मैं इसकी मां की जगह होता ना, तो 2 दिन तक इसको खाना नहीं देता। बहू, ठीक किया है तूने। खा ले।
How is the video, my dear parents? How is it?
Very emotional.
Yes, yes. So we need to be sincere with our child, and we should definitely make the children, if they had done mistake, it is mistake. So you can't make him to hide, or you can't just all the parents or even in the joint families, some people may do that, but we should make him to understand whatever the mistake he had done is a mistake. So now let grandparents take care of your children. I want to talk about this point. So the very important thing is grandparents are also important in our life. Okay, so let grandparents take about let others take care, especially grandparents. And now, as much as possible, let grandparents take care of your little children. Let them grow the children for some time, because so there is a personal enmity in most of the families. Your personal enmity shall not become your child's. So your child may help in reducing the distance between. So usually when a child asks something, you bring him or her that thing as soon as possible. But in grandparents' home, everything is very slow. Okay, at that time, your child will learn patience, which is totally missing in the present generation. And near grandparents, the technology is not more 4G, it is still 1G. So she will learn to be peaceful. He will always be hyper. We always be hyper and angry due to work pressure and everything. Then the child will also learn to become hyper and angry. And the grandparents never get angry on their grandchildren, no matter what. With them, they will learn how to tolerate, and the child will know how to take care of you in your old age, because they have seen the grandparents suffer in their childhood. So now one more point I want to tell you, my dear parents. Any grudge or any enmity you have with your your children's grandparents, let them go. Let them go and stay with them, and in holidays, and let them spend time with them, and they let them understand both 5G and 1G also, so that it will be very useful for us when we grow old. Definitely our children will understand about us, and even when their grandchildren, your grandchildren, they will bring and they will live with you, because they will understand those feelings. So now next point I want to go is stop spoon feeding. So please stop spoon feeding. Sometimes we give children more than what they require, and what the child should do, we only will do of instead of them. So next, your child should know how to eat on their own when they grow up. And nowadays children are sent to attend tuitions at very young age. At this rate, the child will start being dependent on teacher and parents, and will be very, very difficult to become an independent citizen. So if they don't understand something, let them go to the teacher, but before that, encourage it to try on their own. Sometimes you will go to the child on yourself to teach him or her homework, although they don't have any doubts. Now, do they have to come first? Isn't it? That is the most important question. So now next point, what I want to tell you is, child is not our servant. Child is not our servant. So most of these, sometimes we see that parents treat their children very bad. For example, I even saw some parents fixed on the career of the child, that she will become a doctor. If we ask why they decided to make their kid doctor, they say, I wasn't able to become a doctor, so I want my kid to fulfill my dream. So hello, my dear parents, how is it this a rule you weren't able to become something, so you want your kid to become that? Did they sign any contract? My dear friend and my dear parents, it is their life, and they will decide on what to become. You are nobody to decide what they become. So did you know every word you speak will affect your children's life? That is law of attraction, power of words. So that means whatever you say in his presence or not, you will affect them. So always remember that, don't say or think bad about your child. If you do that, he will become that. For example, if you say you don't study, the result will be they won't study. So say what you want him to be. Okay, don't say whatever it comes from your mouth. So don't discourage the child, encourage the child, and instead of pointing mistakes, say him to correct them and tell why it is a mistake. For example, ask him to study and watch less TV instead of telling him he is not studying. Okay, these are the main important points and golden points of law of attraction, power of words. So this is very important thing. So next golden point is, appreciate in public and criticize in private. Use praise wisely. We should praise them in public, then they will strive to develop themselves, and we should criticize them privately in an encouraging manner. So this is very important golden point. And next golden point is, no saving but investments. Nowadays, see, whatever the you save and give property, someone may pull from the child and take away. But if you invest on their education, if you invest on their knowledge, you need to invest on their knowledge or interest instead of saving properties for them. So you let them participate in every activity. Then after 10 years, he will know on which skill should he develop, and automatically he will develop. So next golden point is, both parents should guide same relationship. This is very important thing. Both the parents should teach the child the same principle. If not, the child will get a lot of confusion, but we think that we are making them love daddy more or mummy more. So all children will hide some secrets from you. If you learn why will they hide from you, you will find a way to be a better parent. The next point I want to tell you is, we asked 12 kids what makes them feel loved. So people speaking in their language. So I am going to share with you a video that people speaking in their language. Please try to enjoy and learn how to speak.
वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल एक्चुअल एडिट्स। दोस्तों आज मैं आपके लिए लेके आया हूँ एक ब्रांड न्यू वीडियो जिसमें मैं आपको बताऊंगा आपके फेवरेट टीवी कार्टून कैरेक्टर्स के पीछे किन वॉइस आर्टिस्ट की आवाज है। यकीन मानो आप बिल्कुल सरप्राइज हो जाओगे। तो दोस्तों मैं आपसे मिलूंगा इस वीडियो के लास्ट में एक मैसेज के साथ। तो चलिए वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं।
Hi, I'm Simran Kaur. I'm the voiceover artist of Nobita. This is not mimicry, so the voice which you hear on TV is my voice. This is called dubbing. And if you Google voiceover artist of Nobita, you'll find my name there, Simran Kaur. Okay, so let's do a dialogue. You're Doraemon, I am Nobita. So how would Nobita ask for a gadget? Doraemon, Doraemon, क्या तुम मुझे प्लीज गैजेट दे सकते हो? डोरेमोन तो मेरे कितने अच्छे दोस्त हो। अगर तुमने मुझे गैजेट नहीं दिया तो जियान मुझे बहुत मारेगा, सुनियो मेरी बहुत पिटाई करेगा, और शिजुका मुझसे बात नहीं करेगी। डोरेमोन प्लीज मुझे गैजेट दो ना, अगर तुम मुझे गैजेट नहीं दोगे तो मैं रोऊंगा। डोरेमोन, अरे वाह बहुत बढ़िया, तुम मेरे कितने अच्छे दोस्त हो। गैजेट दोगे ना? मुझे बैम्बू कॉप्टर चाहिए, दो ना। शुक्रिया डोरेमोन, मैं थोड़ी देर में आता हूँ, अपना ध्यान रखना, बाय।
निंजा हातोडी आवडतो का? निंजा कसा म्हणतो? डिंग 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 डिंग, मुझे यहाँ आकर बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। डिंग 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 डिंग।
चलो शुरू करते हैं। अच्छा हाँ चलो शुरू। हाँ चलो शुरू करते हैं।
Snowflakes
अरे शिनचैन अभी साल बीता कहाँ है?
evergreens and they cover all.
अरे शिनचैन अभी साल बीता ही कहाँ?
हेलो, मैं हूँ छोटा भीम। शुगर मीडियाज, थैंक यू सो मच। आपने मुझे अवार्ड दिया ना, उसके लिए मैं आपके लिए लड्डू लेकर आया हूँ। मैं आपको लड्डू दूंगा। थैंक यू सो मच।
शुगर मीडियाज, मैं हूँ डोरेमोन। मैं भी आपके लिए डोरा केक्स लेकर आया हूँ क्योंकि आपने मुझे अवार्ड दिया ना। थैंक यू सो मच।
Yes, parents, this is the language that children love to listen. They want you to speak in their language. This is the language what they like. So now I want to, it's already 5, so we will try to complete it in another 2 minutes. Please try to bear with us. Now the conclusion is, parents may be unable to spend much time with their children, but the quality of time spent to develop strong parent-children relationship is essential for healthy and child growth and development. See, you may this in this speed world, we may not spend much time with the children, but the thing is, we need to spend quality time with them. We need to spend quality time with them. What is meant by quality time? When your child comes to you for talking to you about something, then let him feel that what he is talking is important to you, and don't read newspapers or use phone or watch TV when he is talking. Losing a pencil may not be important to you, but it is important to him. And if you don't show interest in listening them, he will surely find an online platform to tell his troubles like WhatsApp, Facebook, and many more. So, and in future, you can never be sad for not being your child's best friend. Also, your children will subconsciously stop caring about your words too. And when you tell him the importance of scoring good marks and becoming a doctor or engineer, he will become ignorant and think what you are talking is useless. So, my dear parents, spend some quality time. Final conclusion, what I want to tell you is, please spend some quality time with your children and try to understand their language, speak in their language, and try to give the time for them to spend with grandparents and teach them proper things. And don't lie and make them to lie, teach lies and everything. And many things, as we told, every child is unique and every child is wired separately, and every child have a different psychology, and some children are left brain, some children are right brain, and some children are mixing together. And as per the new generation, they are very hyper, and they have a lot of knowledge. See, we all are born after, technology is born after we are born, but they are born after technology is born. So they are in G generation, that is called G generation. So we should understand them and try to give them support in all the activities what they do, and we should learn from them many things. Now this generation is that parents should learn many things from the children. So whatever we did not learn in our school, we should learn from them what they are learning in the school now, or from anything, any gadgets or anything, whatever they are learning. When they come and tell us, let us try to listen and give some quality time to them. So now I want from responses from few participants. So it's time is 5. We'll quickly close. So I want some responses from the participants in this workshop.
Fantastic. Awesome. Dr. Venkat, it was a wonderful session.
Thank you.
Maybe you can stop the sharing so that everybody can come on the video and they can start sharing their responses.
Yes, I request all of you to come on the video, please.
All on the live video. வணக்கம் திரு கோபாலகிருஷ்ணன் சார். வணக்கம். வணக்கம் நிதின், எப்படி இருந்தது சாரோட ஸ்பீச்? நிதின் நான் ரொம்ப நிதின் லைக்ஸ் தட் ஸ்பீச். டாக்டர், யூ காட் ஒன் ஃபேன்.
Thank you, Nitin.
Thank you, sir.
Great, awesome.
Doctor sir, how is it? Arvind Kumar sir.
Sir, ரொம்ப கம்மி. இன்னும் நிறைய வந்திருக்கலாம். 10-15 பேர் இருக்காங்க.
ஆமா, ஹொசூர் ஏரியால கம்மியா தானே சார் இருக்கீங்க?
ஓகே. இல்ல இங்க ஹொசூர்ல. ஓகே.
You are from which place sir? கோபாலகிருஷ்ணன் சார்.
ஹொசூர் டிவிஎஸ் நகர்.
ஹொசூர். ஓகே, நீங்க நிறைய ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ்க்கு ஷேர் பண்ணிருங்க நெக்ஸ்ட் டைம்.
ஆமா, எனக்கு நேத்து தான் தெரிஞ்சது. ஷேர் பண்ண அவங்க எல்லாம் ரெஜிஸ்டர் பண்ணல.
ஓகே.
தெரிஞ்சா ரொம்ப பேருக்கு சொல்லலாம்.
Sure. Actually, Dr. Venkat is coming out with one more presentation soon.
Very nice.
So definitely we will keep you sharing, and you please share to your friends so that we'll have an audience at least around 100 people.
இந்த ரெக்கார்டிங் கொஞ்சம் ஷேர் பண்ணா கூட நம்ம அந்த ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ்க்கு ஷேர்
கண்டிப்பா we will do it sir. We will do it.
We recorded it. Definitely we'll share it.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Right. Dr. Aravind, what do you feel about the session?
We can't hear you, Arvind sir.
Your audio is not clear. Your audio is not clear. Can you please check on your audio, Dr. Aravind? Meanwhile, Gopalakrishnan sir, actually you have any grandchildren?
Grandchildren, yes.
Okay, what they do?
4 grandchildren. They are all in US. They are.
Oh, grandchildrensக்கு அப்ப அடுத்து அவங்களே யூஎஸ் போயிட்டாங்களா? Okay, great, awesome.
But both my daughters studied here only.
Where sir?
Hosur only.
Hosur, which school?
One in Parimalam Matriculation School, and the other one in Shishya School. Both of them higher studies at St. Joseph School, +1, and then of course college at Chennai.
Great, awesome sir. Thank you. And I would love to hear from other people also, like Ganesh and I think Nitin's parents can talk. Nitin oda parent avanga appa amma irundanga, you can talk. Nitin, can you ask your parents to talk? Mr. Sendil Kumar.
உங்களுக்குலாம் அந்த மைக் அன்மியூட் பண்றதுக்கு
அது எல்லாமே இப்பதான் மக்கள் பழகுறாங்க டெக்னாலஜியை. Great sir, I think you can end the session. I think thank you Mr. Narsi Reddy. Sir, எப்படி இருக்கீங்க?
Yeah, Mani, nice to connect to you. I love your voice.
Thank you.
And your presence made a difference. And I would like to thank all the participants who have joined. I'm sure they're taking back some value, some ideas, some insight. some experience. Just being on this in this space itself is an experience. Thank you, Venkat, for this new initiative to reach out to a lot more people during these Corona times. And Nirmala, and thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, Mani, we will have occasions to meet again. Thank you for your presence.
Sure. Definitely.
Thank you.
And I think if you allow us to take people from all over Tamil Nadu, I think the total room will be full. You restricted me only in and around your place. So actually, even Facebook is pushing hard to move people, get people. I think still we were able to get around 35 registrations. Yeah, I think this being a knowledge, I think it can be spread and it can be a brand for you also. We can spread
Absolutely.
out all over.
Let us build a brand and share knowledge and make a difference.
Yes.
And they will spread it on, okay, this knowledge with other parents. Yeah.
Great. Awesome. Great session, Dr. Venkat. I didn't expect this.
Thank you.
It was a different genre altogether. I have seen so many webinars, normally on the child career. Most of the people mechanically are talking. Nobody is in a very balanced mood. You are talking on a balanced way. That is something very interesting. Am I right, Gopalakrishnan sir?
Yeah, sure.
It's not like from the parent side or from the children's side. It is something balanced. That's what I can feel. You understand the emotions of both the parents as well as children. And you are given a very, very nice speech, Dr. Venkat. Awesome, and God bless you.
Thank you very much, Mani sir. Thank you very much, Naresh Reddy sir, Gopal Krishna sir, Ganeshan sir, and Dr. Arvind Kumar sir.
That's it.
You are a
Great
psychologist.
observation, Mani. Great observation.
Yes. Dr. Arvind sir, you are a psychologist. Definitely we'll connect to you and we'll take your advices and definitely we'll utilize it for our school and students. Okay.
Yeah, definitely, sir.
Yes.
Is it
Yes, now
audible,
we can
sir?
hear you, Arvind sir.
Yeah,
We
please
can
go
hear
ahead, sir.
you.
We will end with your short note.
Yes.
It is very informative session. But how to channelize all the child to a new stream, to a very positive stream, you have to search out the intervention. What will be the actual
Actually,
intervention?
Yes. I also have an extent of another 40 slides of parenting skills. But as per we want to conclude by 1 hour, we have reduced 50% of this presentation, sir. For next presentation,
Sure, sir. It is an amazing session. Can you share, sir, your link for video?
Yes, definitely. I'll share all the videos and even PPT also. Complete PPT I'll share to you, Dr. Arvind, sir. Okay.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.
Great, awesome.
Thank you very much.
Thank you then.
Yes.
Bye. Good evening.
Good evening, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
You can see one video. First video. The first video plays is
Online, I had read that one of the things that kept crickets away was garlic. Garlic all around the fridge. Hoping that the cricket.
Play it.